In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to connect to NordVPN and confirm you're protected. We'll keep it simple and make sure you know exactly what to look for at each stage so you can browse securely with confidence. First, open the NordVPN app on your device. Whether you're on a computer or a phone, the app layout is designed to be straightforward. If you see a map view or a clean list of countries, you're in the right place. If you've used it before, it may open to your dashboard immediately. If not, don't worry. Everything you need is right on the home screen. It's also a good idea to make sure your app is up to date, since updates often improve stability and speed. Next, log in with your account. On the first launch, the app will prompt you to sign in. Enter your credentials and proceed through any verification steps your account requires. If you're already signed in, you'll be taken straight to the main screen and you can move on. After you log in, the app will load your account settings and show you options to connect. Now connect to a VPN server. The fastest way is to use the Quick Connect button. This automatically chooses a server based on your location and current load, which is great if you just want to get protected quickly. If you prefer a specific location, select a country from the list or map. Choosing a server closer to you usually gives you better speeds, while selecting a region farther away can help you appear as if you're browsing from that location. Once you tap or click Connect, give it a moment to establish the tunnel. Finally, make sure the connection is active. Look for a clear connected status in the app, often highlighted in green, along with a timer showing how long you've been connected. Many devices also display a small VPN icon in the status bar, which is a good visual cue that the connection is live. In the app, you may see the server name and your new virtual location. That's another confirmation that your traffic is now going through the VPN. If the app shows reconnecting or any error, press disconnect, wait a few seconds and connect again, or choose a different server if the first one is busy. That's it. Open the app, log in, connect to a server, and confirm you're connected. Leave the app running in the background to stay protected, and you're ready to browse with privacy and peace of mind.